to another vlog. Welcome, guys. So, welcome back to Not Just Mommy Time. If you are new, welcome. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Make sure that you hit the bell so you get notifications every time I post up a new one. So, yeah, I'm so excited today. Y'all may want to know why. And it is because your girl's prayer journals is here. Okay, I was going to do them myself. I designed them myself. Of course, I was going to print them from home and just go have them binded at Staples because it doesn't cost much. But I didn't know so many of you guys would be interested. Okay, hold on. I didn't know so many of you guys would be interested in my prayer journal. So your girl went on ahead and had them manufactured. Okay. So they will be here today, and I'm so excited. Yeah. So I will let you guys know when they get here, cause yeah, I'm excited, y'all. I cannot wait for my prayer journals to get here and for y'all to see what they look like. I'm so excited. Okay, y'all, it's here. My package is here finally. I'm so excited. Cannot wait to open it.